Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Eren at International Plus. Today we will talk about Toronto hybrid dentures. Toronto hybrid dentures are a specialist dental treatment option used to replace missing teeth or an entirely toothless jaw. These dentures are fixed, meaning they cannot be removed one past the patient's mouth. Toronto hybrid dentures help patients who are missing teeth or have complete tooth loss achieve functional and aesthetically pleasing results. Toronto hybrid dentures help patients regain the ability to chew, speak, and to smile normally. They can be comfortable, used for eating, speaking, and daily activities. These dentures offer a natural look similar to real teeth. The color and shape of the teeth and gums can be customized according to the patient's preference. Toronto hybrid dentures are anchored to the jawbone trough implants, while the exact number of implants varies at the last 4 are typically required. This ensures the patients can use their dentures comfortable with a secure fit. The materials used in the dentures are long-lasting and durable. With proper care and regular checkups, the lifespan of the dentures can be extended. Before starting treatment, the dentist evaluates the patient's oral structure and creates a suitable treatment plan. X-rays and other imaging techniques are used. Implants are surgically placed into the patient's jaw. These implants provide a solid foundation for the denture. After the implants heal, the custom-designed hybrid dentures is fixed in the patient's mouth. Individual teeth and gums are crafted using special techniques on a titanium framework. Toronto hybrid dentures are a highly effective option for treating missing teeth or toothless jaws. However, each patient is different, so it's important to collaborate with a dentist to determine the most suitable treatment plan. Today, I told you about the Toronto hybrid dentures. Goodbye, see you again.